Atul Bhai, and today is my presentation topic process of planning. Process of planning. Either planning may be large or short from the point of view of organization, but every organization want to make more effective and economical plans. Hence, to make effective and economical plans, every organization has to take a strong action or step which are determined at as process of planning. First step first, determination of goals objectives. At first step is which is involved in planning process, that is none other than the determination of goals of objectives of organization. It is matter of fact that in organization all the various activities are done according to plan with a view to attain the primary goals or objectives of organization. Hence, in the options of goals or objectives of organization, there is no need to do plan to word in activities. On the whole, it is clear determination of goals when clear that organization won the most actually step or step 2. Determination premises. After determining of objective of organization, the next step which is taken under planning process to determining planning premises. Premises may be depicted criteria and which assumptions made by organization which actually accuracy for bringing criteria in future event. Premises may be classified into two terms: internal premises and external premises. Internal premises which is related to internal event of organization called as internal premises. For example, premises regarding manpower of other sources. External premises which is related to external event of organization is not as internal premises. For example, premises against political, social and government issue. Step 3, determining alternative course of action. After establishing planning premises, the next step is to set the alternative course of action of matter of fact that an appropriate way to perform action which is most suitable particular organization. It is the duty of management to find out those alternative and examining them carefully in the light of planning premises. On the other hand, in observe the alternative course, any organization cannot able to perform means action easily. Step 4, evaluation alternative course. After the determining of alternative course of action, the next step is to evaluation those alternative in the light of goals of objectives of organization. It is a complex process of planning because it is not possible for organization to select the best alternative among all the alternative by evaluation each of term carefully in the light of goals of organization. But despite of this complexity, is it an important process of planning. Step 5, formulating secondary plan. After selecting the best alternative course of action, the next step is involve the planning process as to formulate secondary plan. Secondary plan are made by lower level managers of organization to eliminate the problem which are grown up in course of executing all the various activity actives. Step 6, determining participation of employee. The successful execution of a plan properly depend upon the whole uh, hearted cooperation in the employee. In the absence of coordination approach among the employee, any organization cannot able to attain its primary goals in the best and cheapest, and thus it clear that this an essential step of planning. Step 7, establishing the strategy. Strategy is the vital part of parcel of planning, because whenever an organization faces the difficulties in course of execution, the secondary plans, when organization has to make strategy plan on the base of fundamental plans organization to avoid the problem. Hence it is too important that every organization should make strategy plans to face future uh, uncertainty and risk. Steps 8, follow up. It is the last but one of most important step of planning, because it too easy to any organization to make its plans, but the hard achievement of the one's goals. In fact, without following the plans carefully, any organization cannot able to attain its goals in a people proper way. Hence it is clear that success future of every plans and organization will depend on this process. Thank you.